The path of the heart. Sufism is not just a philosophy, it is a path that begins in longing and ends in union. While many traditions speak of rules and boundaries, Sufism begins where language breaks. It is a journey inward, guided not by doctrine, but by the fire of divine love. In the heart of Sufism is one truth: the soul was made to return to its beloved. This is the story of that return. Sufism, or tasawwuf, is an inner esoteric path, the realm of love, surrender, and mystical union. Sufis seek direct connection with God, not through ritual alone, but through remembrance, devotion, and purification of the heart. To them, religion is not a fence, but a gateway, and behind that gate is love, infinite, overwhelming, and transformative. The essence of Sufi teaching. At the center of Sufi thought is love, not human love, but divine love, ishq-i hakiki. The soul was created out of love and seeks to return to love. Rumi wrote, "You were born with wings. Why prefer to crawl through life?" This is the Sufi's reminder that divine love is not distant. It is inside us, breathing through us, waiting to awaken. The poet of the heart, Jalaluddin Rumi, the 13th century mystic, gave voice to the silence inside every seeking soul. His poetry flows with longing, ecstasy, and surrender. To Rumi, God was not a judge. He was the beloved, the one who hides inside our yearning. His verses are rivers of fire, purifying the seeker. Today, his words are read in every language, proof that truth knows no borders. Whirling dervishes. Dance as devotion. The whirling dervish is the embodiment of surrender. With one hand raised to the heavens and one facing the earth, they spin, not to impress, but to dissolve. The dance, called Sema, reflects the turning of the stars, the rotation of the soul. Every spin is a prayer, every motion is a letting go. In the spin, the ego disappears, and in its place, the divine. Persian poetry, language of mystics. Persian poetry is the sacred script of the Sufi soul. In the verses of Hafez, Attar, and Saadi, the divine hides behind taverns, wine, and metaphors. Every poem is a coded message, calling the lover back to truth. Hafiz once wrote, "I wish I could show you when you are lonely or in darkness the astonishing light of your own being." This is the heart of Sufi verse, not escape, but awakening. The ritual of dhikr, remembering the divine. Dhikr means remembrance. It is the beating heart of Sufi practice. Through repetition of God's names, whispered, sung, or breathed, the seeker scrubs away the dust of forgetfulness. In the rhythm of repetition, the soul begins to remember who it is. In recognizing God, it remembers itself. The role of the Sufi master. On the Sufi path, the master is not a guru to be worshipped, but a mirror to be seen through. The master points, the seeker walks. The master does not give truth. They remove the veils. Like a gardener, they water the soul until it blooms. In the presence of the master, truth echoes more clearly. Sufi practices, paths to purity. Sufi practices are simple, but powerful. Silence, service, seclusion, music, poetry, breath. Every practice is a tool, not to reach somewhere, but to uncover what's already within. Like polishing a mirror, these acts reveal the light we forgot was always there. Sufism beyond borders. Sufism is rooted in Islam, but its message belongs to all. Across cultures and continents, Sufi poetry is recited, Sufi music is sung, and Sufi love is felt. Whether in a shrine in Lahore, a dervish lodge in Istanbul, or a poetry night in New York, the message is the same. Love is the path, and we are all seekers. The modern revival of Sufism. Today, Sufism is seeing a quiet renaissance. On TikTok, Rumi quotes go viral. On YouTube, dervish rituals reach millions. In a world growing weary of division, people are returning to what is real. Love, unity, simplicity. Sufism offers no dogma, just a mirror. And in that mirror, we see the soul we'd forgotten, the beloved within. Sufism teaches that the divine is not far, not in the sky, not in temples, but here, in the breath, the ache, the quiet. Hafiz said, "I have come into this world to see this, the sword drop from men's hands even at the height of their arc of anger." This is the Sufi vision, to dissolve hatred, awaken love, and remember what we are, not names or nations, but light, born of the beloved, returning to the beloved, one breath at a time. If this video touched your heart, subscribe. It's inspired by the timeless wisdom in the 7-book Rumi collection by Dr. Farid Mostaman. Whether you seek healing, love, clarity, or growth, these teachings will guide you inward to the truth of who you are.